How to look naturally beautiful without makeup. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of applying a number of makeup products every morning to look pretty? Then it's time to give your skin a break. Today, I am so excited to talk to you about how you can look naturally beautiful without a single drop of makeup. That's right, no foundation, no mascara, just your bare skin shining through. So sit back, relax, and get ready to glow from within. This video will cover creating a grooming routine, styling yourself, developing healthy habits. Let's start. Creating a grooming routine. Shower or bath frequently. Dirty, greasy hair and stinky, sweaty skin won't help you look or feel naturally beautiful. Make sure you shower or bath on a regular basis, such as every day or every other day. Wash your body and face to remove dirt, sweat, oil, and body odor. Shampoo and condition your hair as well, using products formulated specifically for your hair type. You don't have to wash your hair every single day. You can simply rinse it and skip the shampoo every other time you shower to help preserve your hair's natural oils. Don't forget to apply deodorant after showering. Cleanse your face daily. It's important to wash your face every day to remove dirt and oil, even if you don't take a shower. Remember to choose a cleanser formulated for your skin type. If you have oily skin, choose an oil-free face wash. For acne-prone skin, look for a product with salicylic acid. If you have dry skin, use a cream cleanser to add some moisture. For combination skin, try a gel cleanser. Moisturize your skin. Applying moisturizer after your shower will help keep your skin supple, soft, and glowing. Choose a lotion formulated for your skin type, and avoid using anything with heavy perfumes or harsh chemicals, which can dry out your skin. Brush and floss your teeth every day. A bright, white smile is sure to help you look beautiful. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss once per day. Doing so will keep your teeth and gums healthy. Aim to brush for 2 minutes each time. You can also use mouthwash to kill germs and freshen your breath. To whiten your teeth, opt for a whitening toothpaste or use whitening strips. Exfoliate and moisturize your hands and feet. Ragged cuticles or rough, flaky heels can be easily fixed to help you look and feel more naturally beautiful. One option is to get regular manicures and pedicures in a salon. If you'd rather take care of your nails at home, trim and file them regularly to keep them short and smooth. Exfoliate your hands and feet to remove dead, dry skin, then apply a moisturizer after drying them off. Apply sunscreen before going outside. The best thing you can do for your skin is to protect it from the sun. Wear sunscreen with UV protection and an SPF of at least 30 whenever you plan to be outdoors. Sunscreen can prevent wrinkles as well as sun damage that could lead to cancer. You can also wear light-colored, lightweight clothing outdoors and a wide-brimmed hat with sunglasses. Use lip balm. Dry, cracked lips are painful and unsightly. Keep your lips soft and smooth with the regular use of lip balm. Choose one that has sunscreen in it to protect your lips. Apply a generous amount of lip balm before bed and let it work its magic overnight, and when you wake up, balm. Here are your soft and smooth lips. Styling yourself. Wear clean clothes that fit well. A comfortable, put-together outfit will help you feel more confident than a rumpled, stinky sweatsuit. Wash your laundry frequently and put your clothes away so you always have clean, unwrinkled clothes to wear. You don't have to dress up, just pick things that make you feel good and that are free of stains or rips. Choose clothes that fit well. They shouldn't be baggy and shapeless, nor should they be constricting and uncomfortable. Choose simple accessories. If you're going for a natural look, don't overdo it with tons of flashy jewelry or blinged-out accessories. Stick to simple accessories and limit it to just a few items, like a patterned scarf, simple bracelet, and bright-colored heels. Or, you could choose some dangly earrings, a neutral handbag, and patterned flats. Find a hairstyle that suits you. Maybe it's bangs, balayage, or a bob. Take the plunge and get that cut or color you have always wanted. Look online for inspiration if you need it and print out pictures to take along with you to your hair appointment. Explain to your hairstylist the look you're going for and listen to their advice about what cut and color would work best with your style. Trim your hair every 6-8 weeks to remove split ends and keep your hair healthy and beautiful. Developing healthy habits. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. Eating healthy food will help you look and feel great. Choose lean proteins, like chicken and fish, and eat a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables every day. Aim to eat several different colors of fruits and veggies each day, like carrots, beets, bananas, kale, blueberries, bell peppers, Brussels sprouts, strawberries, kiwi, green beans, and pineapple. Drink 8 glasses of water each day. Drinking plenty of water allows your body to flush out toxins. It will also help you achieve healthy hair and skin with a radiant glow. Carry around a refillable water bottle so that you can drink water throughout the day and on the go. You can even add cucumbers, lemons, or berries to your water to flavor it, if you want. Just keep sipping and stay hydrated. Exercise daily. Regular exercise helps you sweat out toxins, clears your pores, and improves blood circulation, all of which will give you a healthy glow. Try to exercise for 30-60 minutes at least 3 times a week. You can swim, do Zumba, lift weights, jog, do yoga, or engage in any other kind of physical activity you like. Find something that is fun, but still challenging. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. A full night's rest will keep your skin looking great, and can actually help prevent wrinkles. If you want to look naturally beautiful, be sure to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. It's not called beauty rest for nothing. Smile and project confidence. A smile is a beautiful thing. Smiling at people attracts them to you and also helps you feel happier. Even if you don't feel confident, you can still act like you do. Use good posture, stand up straight, and avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting. Look people in the eye, shake hands firmly, and speak slowly and clearly. Practice self-care. Last but certainly not least, practicing self-care is crucial for looking naturally beautiful. Take the time to pamper yourself with a relaxing bath, a face mask, or a massage. Practice mindfulness through meditation or yoga to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. When you take care of yourself from the inside out, your natural beauty will radiate from within. So there you have it, my beautiful viewers, how to look naturally beautiful without makeup. Embrace your natural beauty, take care of your skin, and practice self-love and self-care. Remember, you are already beautiful just the way you are. By following these tips, you can enhance your natural features and let your inner glow shine through. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful.